What's up, good peoples? Army here. Just wanted to do another video. I hadn't done one in a while. Look, I got me a Brazilian agate. Agate. I don't know. I'm trying to get into these crystals and gemstones now. Why? I don't know. Something to do. But I'm out here in nature. A little slice of heaven. When I go in nature, I see paradise. I don't know what other people see, but I see paradise. And this ain't nothing but a piece of land that didn't get developed. That's next to my neighborhood. Look at this. I still like being out here better than being in them four walls. But yeah. I ain't really got nothing to talk about. Just wanted to make a video for my YouTube channel. I will say though, let's bring back paradise on this earth. Lord knows we need it. It's been at least 6,000 years. Walk toward the sun. Huh? It's been at least 6,000 years of strife and murder and genocide and deceit. Let's bring it back the way it need to be brought. I know that ain't sound right, but let's bring back paradise, y'all. Oh yeah, true love, true knowledge, true peace, no division, no corrupt system. Damn, I'm sweating my ass off.